before we go home, guys, we will have a lunch at Bee Farm. Hi guys, just arrived here at Bohol Bee Farm, which is like 10-15 minutes from our resort from Quest Villa through a tricycle. So it's not that really far, especially if you have your own personal vehicle. Here in Panglao, you can just, everything is just accessible. So yeah, we're gonna have our lunch here. This is actually my first time here in Bohol Bee Farm, guys. So I was just amazed by all of these products that they are in displayed here in their shop, here at the Buzz shop. So you gotta check this out if you come here and eat here at Bohol Bee Farm. They have different kinds of honey and varieties of spreads like this one. This is mango spread. It's really cool. So I think this is a nice shop to go to here, and you might find something to bring pasalubong with your friends, with your family. Yeah, the place is very comfortable, very cozy, and there are so many colors here. Yeah, it's been a nice day coming here today, guys. Pooch! Pooch, pooch, pooch! Lala!
Look a friendly.
Gwapo, uy! Gwapo,
Ako sila
uy!
iring dire.
Gwapo, uy! Our lunch, guys! Some chicken curry.
Dito 200.
And I've got salad
Wala ba yan mula pa dire?
and
Pwede po
rice.
doon ka na.
Then Jason also got curdy, red rice, and some,
Meron ako ng mga on sa taas.
pasta, and
Everything happens for a
salmon.
reason, so there's no need to stress.